Morning everyone, just looking at Bitcoin, you can see that it's forming what looks like a bull flag, and it is hitting our target area there as support down at 44.90 if we zoom in. So on the daily here you can see that this cup and handle is potentially looking like it's going to play out, and we did say that even if we was to trade from here at this point right now, we was to just buy in at Bitcoin and hold it, you're looking at a 14% trade, guys, up to 53k, where we said the top of the bull flat at the top of the cup and handle, the breakout, will eventually get to. So at the minute it looks like it's forming something like a bull flag on the daily. So it's probably consolidating this range a little bit, let alts catch up before we have some more amazing news and Bitcoin just goes like this, shoots up 53k. No dramas. Take a look at Link now. So just taking a look at Link, it's currently broke its new all-time high in the night, $28. You can see it's just beautiful. It bounced off here. It's bouncing off his channel of support every time it comes down. So potentially Chainlink could still come down in this channel like this, test it before breaking up to the upside. But yeah, Chainlink's just pulling along, guys, breaking new all-times every day. Chainlink to the moon. So just looking at 1 inch, this is still a potential play here, this head and shoulders pattern. As you can see, it's just hitting major resistance up here at the moment. You see this particular area here is a high level of resistance for 1 inch. Seems to be hitting it and coming back down. But like I say, it's trading in this channel on the 4 hourly, you can see that. So these are great swing trade opportunities here, guys. So you could be, selling here, buying here, selling here, and it probably will dip down and retest this until it decides what it wants to do. But it could also be forming an inverse head and shoulders. I'm just saying what I see, but it could also be forming an inverse head and shoulders pattern on the 4 hourly. If you look here, this is neckline, that's the head, that's a shoulder, that's a shoulder. So the question is, can it break this neckline? And if it was to break this neckline, where would it go to? So if we take the measurement there, down to there, you could potentially have a breakout up to this level here of 646 in the coming days if it can break this neckline. So that is something we need to keep an eye on the 4 hourly time frame for 1 inch. If it can keep just staying in this range, and if it breaks this neckline, then I would expect upside to 646 in the short term. But again, you can see that this is a head and shoulders on this 4 hourly pattern, so it could potentially do something like this, keep testing this neckline and then break down. But the fact that we are in a bull market and a lot of money is flowing in, I'm more lean towards the fact that we could potentially break this line of resistance here and break to the upside that way. That's what I'm feeling on 1 inch, because obviously I'm super bullish, and the sentiment in the market is that we are bullish. So this potential play, a new all-time high, breaks out of this inverse head and shoulders here, breaks this line of resistance which is currently at 542. It can't seem to get above that at the moment. So when it breaks that, we're off to the races. But obviously, if it was to break down, then this would be a major level to keep an eye on, guys. This level of support right here, you can see yesterday, even though it didn't actually come down, so that is quite bullish, the fact that it's trying to get back up. So I'm kind of 80% sure that we possibly will just come up, retest this, break out, and off we go. So that's 1 inch. So just look at RSR. Well, guys, I don't know how long you've been here in the channel, but I made a RSR video when I started the channel a couple of weeks ago. I said that it bottomed out. I said this was a local bottom. I said that it was a triple bottom, sorry, on RSR, because we had 1, 2, 3 touches in the downtrend, and I said that this was a local bottom. I bought here, and I'm currently sat the moment in a 68% trade, so that's great. I'm really happy with that. And I could see that was playing out. So I did say yesterday down here that you could buy in at this point, and you would lock yourself in at a 18% trade. I did say that yesterday in yesterday's video. So I hope you guys seen that trade and you took that trade. I just said that it had to break this bull flag here, which it has. It broke out the bull flag, as you can see, and it just went up. So basically, where's the next target for RSR? Well, you can see that it's potentially coming down to test this previous resistance, which was right here, this level there, resistance, and now it's coming down and hopefully test it as support, and then we can see a nice bounce off to our potential target, which was 7 cents for RSR. So that's on the 4 hourly. Just keep an eye on it. Super bullish on RSR. The fact that it broke out is really positive, and it's positive for the whole market. So RSR is going to the moon. So that potential target up there looks extremely doable and on the cards for RSR. Extremely bullish project. So yeah, what we're expecting is possibly a retest of this support, which is currently at, I'll mark it for you guys. So that level of support right there is currently sitting at 0.49, sorry. So we could possibly expect a test of support, and then off we go. So come down, test the support at 0.49, and up we go. If we was to break that support, then the next level of support is obviously off the top of the bull flag, horizontal triangle. That would be the next level of support, and then off we go as well. So that level right there is currently, it's in downward slope, so you can't exactly predict where it will be. But yeah, anyway, that's what's looking likely for RSR, guys. So it's something to keep an eye on in the charts. You could trade that if you wanted to. So anyway, that's it for today's video. Just some summary on various crypto projects. Please give a thumbs up and a like, and also share the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. See you tomorrow. Bye.